Are you tired of counting calories? Tired of the endless attempts to lose weight and then regain it? Sabotaged by cravings that cause you to give in and then feel guilty? Frustrated by the endless programs that promise results but don't deliver? Then this video is for you. And the reason why is that you've been trying to lose weight using the old secrets to weight loss, ones that don't work very effectively. In this video, you'll learn the new secret to weight loss, one that will help you control cravings, improve energy, lose fat, reduce inflammation, and help you significantly reshape your body. Hi, my name is Dan Hammer, and my background is exercise physiology. I used to own and operate one of the larger health club operations in the western suburbs of Chicago, and I've helped a lot of people lose weight using the old secrets or methods for weight loss. I've experienced their frustrations and seen their disappointments when they've quit and regained their weight. It's only been in the last couple of years that I've begun to understand the new secret to weight loss and helping my clients apply the secret to significantly better results. In this video, I want to help you understand the differences between the old and new ways and why the new way is so much better. So let's get started. Here's the old secret to weight loss. Calories in versus calories out equal one of three outcomes: weight gain, weight loss, or weight stays the same. Calories in represents the calories you bring into your body through the foods you eat and the beverages you drink. Calories out represents the calories your body burns up based on your metabolism and the activities you participate in. If the calories in are greater than the calories out, you will gain weight. If the calories in are less than the calories out, you will lose weight. And if the calories in are equal to the calories out, then your weight stays the same. This old secret is the basis for most weight management programs, and its application gives you three methods for losing weight. Method 1. Reduce your caloric intake. This method requires you to carefully choose the foods you eat, restrict their intake, or switch to foods that are lower in calorie consumption, or modify your meal plan by consuming less food. The result can be weight loss on the bathroom scale, at least initially as you lose water weight and begin to lose muscle mass. Yes, you lose some fat, but you find yourself tired, hungry, and craving food. Plus, you stop losing weight after the initial 2 weeks. And the reason why is your body is adjusting its metabolism down to compensate for what it thinks is happening to your body: starvation. Now your calories in are equal to your calories out, and there is no weight loss. Which brings us to method 2, which is increase your caloric expenditure. Let me give you two quick examples. On the screen is the TD calculator for an adult male age 55 who weighs 200 pounds. His caloric expenditure is 2,079 calories. And if he starts a light exercise program, then his caloric expenditure increases to 2,382 calories. This means that his exercise program caused him to burn an additional 303 calories. Now I use the TD calculator for an adult female age 55 who weighs 150 pounds. Her daily caloric expenditure is 1,608 calories. And if she starts a light exercise program, her caloric expenditure increases to 1,842 calories. This means her exercise program is helping her to burn an extra 234 calories per day. But what happens when people use method 2 to drive their weight loss program? They usually eat more food. One reason is that they think they burned up a lot of calories. The other reason is that their body wants more food to meet the increased activity. So the adult lady decides to have a strawberry Yoplait yogurt. It's healthy, tastes good, but has 150 calories and 19 grams of sugar. It takes her less than 5 minutes to eat, and the caloric intake wipes out most of her caloric expenditure from her exercise program. Or the guy decides to have a small order of Wendy's fries with his lunch. The caloric intake is 320 calories, and he has completely wiped out his caloric expenditure from his exercise program. Which brings us to method 3, where you do both. You reduce your caloric intake and increase your caloric expenditure. Method 3 requires commitment and additional lifestyle changes. And while it's the best method in the old secret to weight loss, it results in a common problem associated with most diet programs. That problem is regaining your weight after you've stopped your program. Why? Because they don't address the new secret to weight loss. I'm borrowing this image from Soulful Pathways to introduce you to the new secret to weight loss, which centers on the microbes that make up your gut microbiome. It's the famous twin study. One twin was overweight and the other twin was lean. Their human microbiome was injected into the gut flora of host mice, so that the microbiome of the mice took on the nature of the human twin. All recipient mice were given the same diet and daily activities. The results were that the host mice with the microbiome from the lean human twin stayed lean, and the host mice with the microbiome from the overweight human twin gained weight and stored fat. And what was even more interesting was the makeup of the microbial communities between the two twins. For the overweight twin, the microbial community was dominated by Firmicutes, whereas the microbial community of the lean twin was dominated by Bacteroidetes. Most studies now show that the higher your Bacteroidetes compared to your Firmicutes, the leaner you will be. The new secret to weight loss centers on your ratio of Firmicutes to Bacteroidetes. There are a couple of triggers that increase Firmicutes over these Bacteroidetes, which causes you to gain weight and store fat. Trigger 1, high intake of omega-6 fatty acids from vegetable oils. Most processed foods use some form of vegetable oil for shelf stability. The problem is, these types of omega-6 oils trigger inflammation, which favors Firmicutes. Trigger 2, animal protein creates less diversity in the microbial community, which then allows the Firmicutes to dominate. Trigger 3, sugar and processed carbohydrates like wheat are fuel for Firmicutes, which again allows them to dominate your abdominal microbiome. And trigger 4 is stress. We live in a stressful world, and the stress hormones produced by our body lowers our Bacteroidetes. Vegetable oils, processed foods, animal protein, sugar, processed carbohydrates, and stress all favor the growth and dominance of Firmicutes, which then leads to a whole host of abdominal, weight management, and metabolic concerns. However, if you change the gut, you can change the outcome. When you learn how to choose foods and supplements that help your Bacteroidetes flourish, you will experience the following. Cravings for sugar and other carbohydrate sources go away. And the reason why is that your Bacteroidetes don't want them as their food source. Instead, they prefer plant-based protein. You become less hungry. As your new microbiome begins to take hold, you process your food more effectively, resulting in more energy and less toxins that contribute to overall inflammation. You'll also begin to consume less calories, which allows your body to go after your fat stores to make up the difference. This then helps you to eliminate fat while protecting your muscle tissue, so your metabolism doesn't go down and may actually increase, which then allows you to harness the old secret to weight management, but without the negative side effects we discussed in the beginning of this video. And as your microbiome becomes dominated by Bacteroidetes, it is easier for you to maintain this lifestyle change. Not only do you lose the fat and reshape, but you feel better. Now, what is the best program for doing this? Well, the one that has become our program of choice is the Biome Core Kit from Synergy Worldwide, because it effectively addresses inflammation, animal protein, sugar, and wheat while being affordable or cost neutral. There are 3 components to the Biome Core Kit that are ideal in helping you implement the new secret to weight loss. First is the Biome Shake. It's certified vegan and gluten-free, which means it's a vegetable protein that fuels the correct microbial communities to help quickly balance your microbiome. It uses pea protein with key prebiotics to fuel your friendly bacteria. It contains borage oil and flaxseed powder to help address inflammation. Plus, it includes zinc and broccoli powder to detoxify your digestive system while supporting your immune system. The Biome Shake can be used both as a meal replacement to aid in weight loss or as a healthy meal that can sustain your energy and eliminate hunger over an extended period of time. Plus, it helps you to obtain clean energy metabolism that can benefit cognitive function. Our recommendation is to replace 1 meal per day with a delicious shake. Here's our base recipe, which can be added to or changed so that you have a meal sensation each time you drink it. Yes, I said a meal. When properly made, this Biome Shake is more nutritious than what most people are currently eating. Your next component in harnessing the new secret to weight loss is the Biome DTX. This patent-pending product is designed to detoxify, cleanse, and rebalance your microbiome. It includes ingredients to help eliminate heavy metals and other toxins from your system to address inflammation. The Biome DTX includes L-glutamine. This ingredient supports your intestinal cells to address leaky gut issues. And L-glutamine also helps to improve the ratio of Bacteroidetes to Firmicutes to directly aid in weight management. In addition to inulin, this product uses psyllium husk as a prebiotic that fuels favorable bacteria while providing bulk to the stools for healthy elimination. Other key ingredients include zinc to maintain both population and diversity of good bacteria, and broccoli flowers to produce compounds that address inflammation. These ingredients provide a second meal effect to help you feel full in between your main meals. Our recommendation is to add 1 packet of Biome DTX to your Biome Shake. Then take 1 packet of Biome DTX in 8 to 10 ounces of water 30 minutes prior to your largest meal. This will curb your appetite, helping you to effectively reduce your caloric intake to harness the old secret to weight loss. Plus, it will help to improve your Bacteroidetes to Firmicutes ratio to aid in weight management. The final component to the Biome Core Kit is Biome Actives. This product combines a prebiotic with a probiotic to deliver more CFUs, colony-forming units, to your small intestine. By using inulin as your prebiotic, you provide both protection and an ideal food source for your probiotic. Biome Actives also uses Bacillus coagulans because it's a spore-forming probiotic species that is shelf-stable on its own. This allows you to take it any place you go and not have to worry about refrigeration or spoiling. And as a spore-forming probiotic, it can withstand the stomach's acidic environment so that more CFUs reach the small intestine. We recommend taking 1 Biome Active with your Biome Shake. Then take 2 Biome Actives with your Biome DTX before your largest meal. By using this method, you will quickly recolonize your gut microbiome with good microbes that will aid you in weight management and overall health. Not only does the Biome Core Kit help you harness the benefits of the new secret to weight loss, allowing you to look and feel better, it's affordable. As you replace 1 meal with the Biome Shake and use the Biome DTX to help curb your appetite, you'll find that it easily fits into your budget. What you used to spend on foods that caused you to gain weight can now be redirected towards foods that actually help you be lean. And for those who implement the Biome Core Kit into their lifestyle, we've created the Biome Core Manual to empower you with additional tips and techniques to control cravings, improve energy, reduce toxins, and reduce inflammation, all while helping you significantly reshape your body and improve your self-esteem, especially when people come up to you and say, "You look great. What are you doing?" If you have any questions about the new secret to weight loss, which is the real secret to weight loss, or the Biome Core Kit, then please contact me. You can call me directly at 630-936-8079, or you can email me at dan@agingnomore.com. I'm part of the Million Lives Project. Our goal is to help 1 million people or more understand how they can use natural ways to address their health concerns. If you're ready to make a lasting change to your health and weight, then call me today. I can help you effectively implement the new secret to weight loss, one that leads to vibrant health and overall wellness.